This is me, Sanjida. Welcome to IGCSE tutor room. This is the third lecture regarding organic chemistry IGCSE, and our today's topic is ester. So, what is ester? Esters are made from alcohol and carboxylic acid. When we are going to study ester, we must keep 2 points in mind. That is, esters are made from alcohol and carboxylic acid. And the second point is it is used to make artificial flavors. Sorry for some mistake. Artificial flavors in food. So, how we are going to make this ester? If we just mix an alcohol and a carboxylic acid, then we are going to get an ester. For example, if we mix ethanoic acid and ethanol, ethanoic acid is an alcohol. Ethanoic acid is a carboxylic acid, and we are having ethanol as alcohol. So mixing alcohol and carboxylic acid, we are getting is ethyl ethanoate, that is an ester. Ethyl ethanoate plus water. So in our today's video, we are going to learn the naming of esters, conditions to make esters, and some diagrams regarding esters. So first of all, what we have is ethanoic acid. So let us write ethanoic acid. 2C is the hydrogen. Then we have COOH, that is its functional group. So we are done with ethanoic acid. Now we are going to draw the ethanol. So ethanol is 2C, and we have OH and all the H. So we have mixed the reagents, that is ethanoic acid and ethanol. Now it's our turn to make the product, that is ethyl ethanoate. So how we are going to write down ethyl ethanoate? All we are going to do is just remove a H and OH from them. We are going to remove a H from ethanoic acid and OH from ethanol, and just join the rest of the body together. So that is C, H, H, that O there with a double bond. Then we have O, and we don't have this part now. We are going to directly join this part. So we are joining ethanol now, that is C, H, H, H. Now you may ask what we are going to do with this H and OH. We are just simply adding them as water. Remember that according to the formula, ethanoic acid plus ethanol is equal to ethyl ethanoate plus water. So we are going to get the water here. H, OH. So you can see it is pretty easy. What we are going to do is just we are going to remove H and OH. We are going to remove H from ethanoic acid and OH from ethanol. That is all. And this H and OH are going to make water as the product. And if we just join this ethanoic acid and ethanol without H and OH, we are going to get the product that is ethyl ethanoate. Now we are going to try the same for um, propyl propanoate. So we have to take propanoic acid and propanol in order to make propyl propanoate. So we have drawn a propanoic acid and propanol here. Now let's see what will be our product. At first, according to our formula, we are going to remove H and OH. So removing H and OH, we are just going to join the rest of the body. So let's see. So we are going to write down the products now. As you can see, we are already getting our products. That is, we mixed propanoic acid and propanol. What we did is just remove H and OH from both propanoic acid and propanol. So removing H and OH, we just join the remaining body of the chemicals, that is, and then we get propyl propanoate, that is an ester. This is propyl propanoate and it is ester. Will it won't be the plus sign, it will be a straight bond showing the bond angle. Okay, we are giving a bond. Okay, so this part we take from propanoic acid, and this orange part we took from propanol. So propanoic acid and propanol, what we did is just remove H and OH to make water, and that's all. So you can see making esters are pretty much simple. We are just going to take any alcohol or carboxylic acid, and we are just going to mix them, remove H and OH to make water, and join the remaining part of the reagents. So we are getting an ester. Now we are going to see the naming of the esters. So I am erasing everything. I hope after coming to know about ethyl ethanoate, propyl propanoate, naming of the esters will be pretty much simple for you. So for the naming, if we take alcohol group, if we take methanol, then we are going to name it as methyl ethanol. Then we are going to name it as ethyl. If we take propanol, then we are going to name it as propyl. And in case of carboxylic acid, if we take ethanoic acid, then we are going to say it as ethanoate. So what we need to keep it on mind is for alcohol, we are going to take an "-il" group. For example, methanol, methyl. And for carboxylic acids, we are going to take an "-noate" group. For example, if we take ethanoic acid, then it will be ethanoate. If we take propanoic acid, then it is going to be propanoate. So for alcohols, we are going to take "-il" group. Methanol, methyl. Ethanol, ethyl. Propanol, propyl. Butanol, butyl. And for carboxylic acids, we are going to take 8 group. Ethanoic acid, ethanoate. Propanoic acid, propanoate. So ethanoic acid plus ethanol, ethyl, ethanoate. At first, we are going to take alcohol's name. That is ethyl, ethyl and ethanoate. And the remaining one is water. Now we are almost at the end. We are going to see the conditions for making an ester. So I'm writing the conditions down. Conditions are, we have two conditions. Conditions. Condition number 1 is our temperature need to be at room temperature. Temperature is room temperature. So we can say it around 37, 30 around room temperature. And condition number 2 is we need catalyst. Yeah, We are going to use catalyst. Here, a strong acid, HCl acid, is going to speed up the reaction. So, condition number one is we have to carry out this procedure at room temperature. And condition number two is we have to keep a strong acid, that is HCl acid, that will speed up or boost up the reaction. So this is all for today. For organic chemistry, this was our third lecture from IGCSE tutor room. And if anyone have any more questions, they can email us. For online classes, any students can join from any part of the world on our Zoom meeting. So till then, stay well, stay fine, take care, bye bye.